Like, kanta-kanta lang, ganon-ganon to perform it. But I realized at some point that music is very important into our lives. Hi, this is Precious Star, a third-year BM Music Education student from the College of Music here at UP Diliman. Come join me as I take you on a tour around my college. So, why did I pursue music as a degree? Well, I really grew up with family of musicians. And so I was just like, kanta-kanta lang, ganon-ganon to perform it. But I realized at some point that music is very important into our lives. And I just don't want to just perform it, but I also want to teach it, to also understand it, and also live to it. If we were able to answer many questions about music theory, about also some listening exams. Also, we're able to do an audition where we would perform whether in singing or in also playing our instrument. And it's very intense, yeah, but I know we can do it. So what makes the program unique is the balance between teaching or learning theory, practice, and also cultural awareness. It's not just about training you to perform well or to teach well, but it also teaches you to think critically about music and its role in society. You're encouraged to not just grow individually, but also to contribute to a larger musical and cultural community. What classes I enjoyed? There's this one class that it's called music performance class that we get to learn different kinds of instruments, like not just Western instruments, but we also get to learn different kinds of Asian musics offered here in the College of Music. I have this first MEPC class in Chinese. My first instrument there was Yangshin. And then we have also gamelan classes. We have kalinga classes also, Philippine Kulintangan. I also enjoyed music education classes, especially the teaching methods, where it's very interesting because it's not just how are you going to teach it, but how are you going to apply it. So music graduates have a wide range of opportunities. Of course, there is performance, but you can also go into teaching, research, composition, music production, and even arts management. And what's interesting is that music can intersect with different fields, so you're not limited to just one path. Being surrounded by people who are passionate about music pushes you to improve, like my work here, UP Rondalla. And so you learn how to collaborate, you learn how to listen, and to adapt each other's styles. I would say go for it. Nakakatakot nga sa simula, oo. But if music is really something you want, it is worth the risk. And hindi mo nga kailangan maging perfect, kailangan mo lang magpursige at willing matuto. And of course, enjoy mo lang. If you're passionate about performing and making harmonies together, then music might be perfect for you. This video was made in partnership with UP Rondalla, a performing group under UP Juniors Music Educators Guild. Once again, I'm Precious Star, and this is Crash Course!